Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. So the topic of discussion is how to make money online as freelancer $10,000 per month. So here we will discuss how to make $10,000 a month online. Strategies you can start today. Think about your life, not too hard or things could get philosophical pretty quickly. But are you happy with your work life balance? Happy with the flexibility you have in your weekly schedule? Happy with how much money you are making? There are many ways to make money online. These side hustles can net you up to $10,000 a month or even become full-time careers. While these methods have helped countless individuals achieve financial success, remember that results require dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Let's dive in. The first one is self-publishing on the Amazon. Amazon KDP Kindle Direct Publishing has revolutionized the publishing world, offering aspiring publishers a golden opportunity to earn money and build a thriving online business. Self-publishing allows you to bypass traditional gatekeepers and connect directly with readers worldwide. Why self-publishing? Here are some reasons why self-publishing is so appealing. Scalability. One of the most attractive aspects of self-publishing is its scalability. The more book you publish, the greater your potential to make 10,000 a month and beyond. Each book adds another 10k a month to your income stream and creating a snowball that effect that can lead a significant monthly revenue. Low startup cost compared to the other small business owners ideas with high startup costs. Self-publishing is remarkably affordable. You primarily investment will be your time and the effort in developing, editing, and marketing your books. Then recurring income potential. Imagine earning money while you sleep. So that's the power of the recurring income and the self-publishing offers in its abundance. Once you Kindle ebooks are published, they can generate extra cash in your royalties for the year to come. High royalties. Self publishers enjoy significantly higher royalty rates than those with traditional publishing deals, allowing you to make more money and keep a large portion of your earning. How to start? Ready to embark on your self-publishing journey? Here's your roadmap to success with each step broken down to guide you through the process, from choosing a profitable niche to the building a portfolio. A high quality ebooks. The guide will help you start small and the build up to achieving up to $10,000 monthly income goal. So the step one is write one short ebook. The path to $10K involve crawling, walking, and then running. Create your first short ebook is the crawling part. Write your first full length ebook could be compared to walking, and then having 5 full length ebooks would be running. We'll break down each of these steps so you can see how this is all possible. Your first step is in this process is to create just one short ebook to dip your toes into the Amazon KDP water. The point of creating your first book is not to get rich. Think of it as a practice. It's where you learn how to do and prove to yourself and that this it is possible. You will build confidence in yourself and get some of these early mistake out of the way, but of course also shows how to avoid them too. So like staying away from the trademarked or the copyrighted terms. We'll also show you how to make sure your book is professional looking and how it turned to be an audiobook. Short and sweet. We recommend your first ebook is only about 5,000 words. Pick a topic you know a lot about and are passionate about. Select a profitable niche or genre with high demand and a clearly defined target sequence. So consider your interest and the expertise and conduct a thorough research to identify lucrative opportunities, something you can talk to or write about forever. You can even ask the people who know you best, what am I obsessed about? At this point you might be thinking, but I am not a writer, I can't write a book. This is just simply not true. Think you have already probably written 10,000 plus words in emails, letters, school essays, and the text messages. Why couldn't you channel the same writing into your short book? Don't limit yourself and what you are capable of. Also, be careful who you listen to. Friends and family who don't understand how self-publishing online really works are not the best support for you, so they might try to convince you it's not worth it or you can't make money online. So don't take advice from the people who've never started an online business before. Turn out negative voices as pursue your dreams. So the second step is write a full length ebook. Writing a full length ebook might seem even more daunting to you, but hopefully you have more confidence that it can be done after reading about how to write a short ebook. So remembering you are only limited by your imagination, having a full length ebook to sell is a crucial part of reaching the milestone, making $10,000 per month. As you create your full length book from scratch, you can do a couple things to make this happen. The first one is write it yourself. Set daily writing goals or rent a cabin for a month and crank it out. Then hire a ghostwriter. Ghostwriters are available on the freelancing website like Upwork and the Fiverr, and there are nothing spooky about using these professionals. Then use the artificial intelligence writing tools. There are a growing number of the cutting edge AI writing tools that are helping people just like you create masterpieces they can sell and make real money from. So once you have a longer book to sell, you will need to edit and format it. This can also be done by very little money by hiring freelancers. Publishing on the Amazon's KDP means that your book will be available in less than 3 days and you will start making your first profit. Then the step 3 is multiple full length books. You've learned to crawl with your first short book, then to walk with a full length one. Now it's time to run. This is where it gets really exciting. That $10,000 goal starts to become more of a reality. At this point you have a lot of online self-publishing experiences under your belt through lots of the practices, putting those reps in, and you have a really good idea of what works and what does not works. So free introduction and the 10K club, these all are part of the book writing. And then the point 2 is freelancing. Whether you are a freelance writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or programmer, freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and work with clients worldwide. Freelancing provides the freedom and the flexibility to be your own boss and set your own schedule. However, it also requires self-discipline, strong time management skills, and handling inconsistent and the multiple income streams. So getting started, here are the steps to launch your freelance career. The first step is choosing a niche or the service. Then the second step is building a portfolio, then joining platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or the Freelancer. Scaling to $10,000. To scale the monthly income from your freelance income to the $10,000 a month, consider these 3 strategies. The first one is charging premium rates. As you gain experience and the expertise, increase your rates to reflect the value you provide. Then the second one is offering retainer packages. Provide ongoing services to the client through retainer packages, creating a stable and the recurring income stream. Then outsourcing tasks and delegate tasks to the other freelancers or the virtual assistant to the free up your time and allow you to take on more clients. Then the third one is launch a digital marketing agency. This includes a laundry list of the online strategies and includes search engine optimization, social media management, online advertisement, and the email marketing, social media managers, and the content marketing. And businesses are willing to invest significant marketing budgets to improve their online presence and drive results. So that was all about the topic. Hope this topic will have been beneficial for you. So do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.